Hello, everyone, and welcome to another helpful episode of English with Altaf. I'm Annie, and I'm so happy to see you all here again. In today's video, we are going to talk about a very common mistake that many people make while learning English. We will discuss what that mistake is, why it happens, and how to avoid it.
Hi everyone, I'm Altaf, and I'm really excited to be here with you. Today's topic is very important. Don't make this mistake while learning English. We'll explain everything in a very simple and easy way, so don't worry. You just need to stay with us till the end, and you'll understand exactly how to improve your English faster and smarter.
Let's begin by thinking about how most people try to learn English. Many students focus too much on grammar rules and translations. They try to translate everything from their native language into English word by word. This is the big mistake. Learning English is not just about grammar and vocabulary, it's also about communication and practice.
Yes, exactly, Annie. This is one of the biggest problems I see. Learners think, if I just memorize more grammar rules, I will speak English fluently. But that's not true. Grammar is helpful, but if you only focus on grammar, you may know all the rules but still can't speak. English is a living language. You need to use it, speak it, hear it, and feel it.
That's such an important point, Altaf. English is a skill, not a subject. It's like learning to swim or play the guitar. You don't learn to swim just by reading a book. You must get into the water. In the same way, you need to use English in real life. Practice speaking, listening, reading, and writing regularly. Don't just memorize rules and words.
Right? And here's another mistake. Many people are afraid to make mistakes when speaking. They stay silent or speak very little because they think they will be judged or laughed at. But let me tell you, making mistakes is a natural part of learning. When you were a child, did you speak your native language perfectly? No, right? You made many mistakes, but you kept speaking.
That's true. I remember when I was learning English, I used to be so scared to talk. But one day, I decided not to care about being perfect. I started speaking even if I made mistakes. And that's when I really started improving. So, the big mistake is focusing too much on perfection instead of communication.
Exactly. If you wait to speak until your English is perfect, you'll never speak. English is not about perfection, it's about connection. It's about expressing your ideas, asking questions, and understanding others. If you can do that, you're already successful.
Let's give an example. Suppose someone wants to say, I went to the market yesterday, but they say, I go market yesterday. Now, the grammar is not perfect, but do you understand the meaning? Yes, and that's what matters. Communication has happened. Later, you can fix the grammar. But first, speak.
That's a perfect example, Annie. Also, people waste time translating everything. If you see a cup, just say cup. Don't think of the word in your native language first. Start thinking in English. Try to make English a natural part of your daily life.
Yes, you can think in English by doing small things. When you wake up, say to yourself in English, I am getting up now. While making tea, say, I'm boiling water. These small habits will train your brain to think in English without translating.
And don't just study English in books. Listen to English songs, watch movies or YouTube videos, and talk to people. If you don't have anyone to talk to yourself. Look in the mirror and have a small conversation. This builds confidence.
You know what, Altaf? I also used to record myself speaking. Then I would listen to it and check how I sounded. That helped me understand my mistakes and improve my pronunciation too. It's a great tip for learners.
That's brilliant. Another thing people do is wait for the right time to start speaking English. They think, let me learn more first, then I will speak. But the right time is now. Start speaking with what you know. Use simple words. It's okay.
Absolutely. Many learners delay practicing because they think they're not ready. But speaking is the most powerful practice. You'll improve faster when you start using the language in real situations.
Also, don't compare yourself with others. Everyone learns at a different speed. Some people may speak faster and some may take more time. It's okay. Just focus on your own journey. Be consistent and keep learning.
Yes, your journey is yours alone. Celebrate small wins. Maybe today you learned 5 new words. That's great. Maybe you spoke 3 sentences in English. That's a big step. Enjoy the process. Don't stress about results too much.
Before we end, let's quickly repeat the key mistake again. The big mistake is focusing only on grammar, perfection, and translation, instead of real practice and communication.
Yes. And how to avoid it? Start speaking. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Practice daily. Think in English. Use English in real life. Celebrate progress. Be confident and patient with yourself.
Thank you so much for joining us today on English with Altaf. We hope this video helped you understand what not to do when learning English and what you should do instead.
We've learned today that English is not just a subject, it's a skill. And like any skill, you must practice it, use it, and enjoy the journey. Don't wait for perfection. Just begin.
Keep watching English with Altaf for more simple and useful lessons. Subscribe if you haven't already, and tell us in the comments, what mistake have you made while learning English, and how did you overcome it?
See you in the next video. Until then, keep speaking, keep smiling, and remember mistakes are part of learning. Bye for now.
Bye, everyone. Stay confident and keep learning English the smart way.